Hello students, welcome to the GitLab video. Today we are going to mainly focus on the merge conflict. So today's topics would be what are the branches, what is merging, what is merge conflict, how merge conflict occurs, how to resolve merge conflict, and how to create a branch and how to delete a branch. So branches and merging I have discussed in previous lab videos. So I'll give brief summary. What are the branches? Branches is nothing but isolated line of development. It's nothing but a feature where you fix a bug or create a new feature. It's an isolated line of development. It's used for the parallel development. For example, in previous video I discussed where I created a new branch called login for creating a login page. I created another branch called register for creating a registration page. Then later, when changes are approved, I later merge back into the main code base. So merging, what is merging? Merging is nothing but combining changes made in two or more branches into the main branch. So merge conflict. Coming to the what is merge conflict. So merge conflict occurs when Git attempts to combine changes from two different branches but encounters overlapping edits and cannot resolve automatically. So there are scenarios when Git merge conflict occurs. So merge conflict occurs usually when two branches have different changes or different modifications. Exact same line in same file. I repeat it. Two different branches have done different modifications or changes to the exact same line in the same file. Another scenario where Git merge conflict may occur is file is modified in one branch and another branch has deleted the same file. So since merge conflict if happens locally, then rest of the project members are not aware of this issue. So resolving conflict is of high priority and requires immediate fix. On many occasions, Git handles the automatically merging, but in some cases, if conflicting changes occurs to you, then you have to resolve them manually. So when merge conflict occurs, then Git will automatically annotate conflicting lines for you with less than symbol, equal to symbol, and greater than symbol. Conflicting files are usually opened in text editor. Git inserts special conflict markers to highlight conflicting sections. So coming to here, we'll practically see how the merge conflict occurs. So this is the folder I have created for the purpose of Git merge conflict. To here, select this and type cmd. So it opens in command line prompt. So this is the one of the method which I'm showing you how to open VS Code in Git merge conflict folder. Type code. Clearly you can see the VS Code has opened in the folder Git merge conflict. So clear this. Click on terminal. New terminal. So here the first step here is to initialize the so git initialize the repository. Mm. Next, assume that this is the main branch or a master branch. So developer A, assume that developer A is in charge of a main branch and is making modifications in the main branch. So developer A, this is developer A creates a test file, test.txt. Yep, he writes some line into in the file. This is so clearly you can see here test.txt appears in red color. This means it has not been added to the staging area. Not add now we can check this. So it appears in the green color. Test.txt txt appears in the green color, which means that it has been added to staging area. Now you need to bring the file from staging area to the local repo. So for that you have to make use of. Sorry guys, I have not configured my email ID. I have to configure and click enter. So what is it's okay. No error is there. Will configure my email. So it has been now configured. Now I can commit. So clearly you can see that the file test.txt file has been brought from staging area to local repo. So now you can create a branch. One branch. For creating branch, so we'll see whether branch you can see master branch and new branch one. New branch one is the newly created branch. So in order to switch to the new branch, we have to make use of. So here in order to check, so green, it highlights that new branch one is in green color. We are in present in that branch. Now we'll see how to rename a branch. So now we are in master branch. So if you want to rename a, so in order to check, so clearly you can see the new branch has been modified. So master branch appears in green color and indicates that we are in correct active branch. That is the current active branch. In order to get into the new branch, we'll make it. So switch to the new branch one. Assume that new underscore branch one is being managed by the developer B. So I'll try to modify a second line by adding that. I'll add a second line here. Developer B. So clearly see the file has not been added to staging area. It is in red color. You need to be added to staging. Now check this. So test.txt appears in a green file. Now you need to bring this from staging area to the local repo. For that you have to commit the file. So this has been added to the local repo. Now I will get back to the main. So as you can see, text when you create a branch, test.text original source code is copied to the newly created branch. So there you can modify whatever to do branches, and then you can later do merging. So assume that previously I told that master branch is being handled by the developer A. So in second line, he tries to add do some modifications or changes. Developer A. A. So it appears in red color. It has been modified. It states that it has been modified. I need add. Yes, it appears in green color. It has been added to staging area. Now you need to commit that file. So it has been added to the local repo. So I usually told that what are the reasons for the git merge conflict. So merge conflict occurs when two branches or two developers have different changes to the exact same line in the same file. So we can see here same file means test.txt. It is the same file in both master branch as well as a new underscore branch one. And two developers or two branches are trying to do modification or changes in the same exact line. That is line number two. Line number two. Now we'll try to check which branch we are in. So we're in master. We'll try to merge it. So clearly you can see that merge conflict has occurred. So Git gets confused here because two branches or two developers, developer A and developer A who is in charge of working master branch, and developer B who's in charge in working in new branch one, has modified the same line, that is line number two in line number two respectively. So developer A has modified the line number 2 in master branch, and uh, developer B has modified the same line in the same line number 2, that is in new branch one. So clearly, so it get you have to resolve it manually. So here, coming to here, you have, so here, when merge conflict occurs, so it will automatically annotate the conflicting lines for you with these symbols. Clearly you can see here, less than symbol appears, equal to symbol appears. This is, it tells that the between these two sections, developer STS in Bangalore is, it is in original in master branch. So between the symbol equal to and greater than, this changes is present in the newly created branch, that is new underscore branch. So conflicting files are when opened in text editor like this VS Code, Git inserts special conflict markers. Here special conflict markers are less than, equal to, and greater than. So in order to highlight the conflicting sections. So clearly you can see here conflicting sections are highlighted here with help of conflict markers. So here you have two options. You can accept the current change, or you can accept the incoming change, or accept the both change, or you can compare the changes. We'll go to last option, compare the changes. Clearly you can see the difference. What is the difference between this? So in test.text, developer had done the modification, developer stays in Bangalore. So same exact line in new branch one, developer B had modified and stays in Mysore. So this is the difference. Go back here. So if you accept the current change, so developer A stays in Bangalore. That is, master branch will be resolved. It will be taken. Press Ctrl Z to go back. So if we accept incoming change, then developer B stays in Mysore will be finalized. You are resolving it. You can see developer B stays in Mysore. Press Ctrl Z. So if I click on accept both changes, then both changes will be accepted. You can see developer A stays in Bangalore, developer B stays in Mysore. So you have to resolve it manually. Much conflict occurs. So I am going to accept a incoming change. So this, it shows that developer B stays in Mysore. So I will save Control S. So then after that, as usual, I have to bring it. Then I have to commit and press enter. So you can see that. So this is an example, practical example that how merge conflict occurs and how we can resolve the merge conflict manually. So in order to, clearly you can see what are the commits I have made. You can see in one line. For that you can. So clearly you can see the most recent commit will appear at the top. That is the latest commit I had made, given commit messages git merge resolved manually. Followed by the, you can see the list of other commit messages. So that's it guys. This is the end of video. Again, thank you for listening.